light is fading fast. From this old town we gotta go. Our bags are packed, so what we waiting for? There's no point in delaying what we both already know. Escape this town with me. Escape this town with me. We could rent a room and watch the stars dance round the moon. Fall asleep to the sounds of the sea. With you right by my side, it's such a sweet life. Escape this town with me. Escape this town with me. Nowhere else to be. Escape this town with me. Escape this town with me. Escape this town with me. Nowhere else to be. Escape this town with me. Later on in the night, when the crowds have gone, we could talk under moonlight till dawn. We could stay to watch the sunrise, cancel all our plans. We don't need a reason why we just can't. I wish I could stop time and stay in this moment. Never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Caught myself free falling deep into your eyes.